Hey everyone, it's Eric again, back at it. We got another video. I got something really interesting today, always to take a look at. Always got cool, fun things always going on here. But ooh, I can't even touch this. Man, it's hot. Ooh, ooh hot, 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 hot. Look. Quick, it's too hot. This is 1989. Ow. Ooh. Macbook Pro. Oh, it's really hot. But no, it's not hot right now. It was really hot. You can see this one actually, well, we're actually going to see if it survived more of a fire here. And as a data recovery center, obviously we like to focus on mainly just getting data off, because you can see, look at that damage, man. Look at that screen. Look at that fire damage. Look at the keyboard, touch bar has been impacted. See there in the corner? Whew, man. Now, not even to mention the ports. Now, the good thing about this one, at least the ports are removable. So there may be something we can do, but there is a lot here. We always like to at least see what we can do for it. Obviously, we're a data recovery center, like I was saying before, and we like to mainly focus on getting data off if that's possible. Ports are removable. We need to see the damage of that are actually inside, because this thing looks pretty bad. But at least the shell casing can be something that can protect it a little bit more, but obviously we want to go ahead and see what we can do for this thing. But this thing looks pretty bad inside and out. Obviously, like a battery would be a concern too, especially if there's any type of flame. We want to make sure that it's not punctured or anything too, so that's gonna be a little bit dangerous. I haven't even opened yet, but that's why you guys are here. That's why you guys want to do it with me, right? We're gonna actually show you guys. Okay guys, you ready? So we opened it up and woo. What is this? Let's make sure we disconnect the battery, huh? Okay guys, just marvel at this thing. See, every area has been impacted to the core. Let's just say that. Obviously, this is way too damaged to work on. As you can see, everything's been impacted. Every component you could probably think of has been impacted. Every power area has been impacted. The NAND flash probably looks a bit damaged too, and that's kind of the whole point of it. But obviously we want to see, especially if we're a data recovery center, if there's something we can possibly do. This amount of damage is absolutely ridiculous. I don't even want to go into it. I don't have to go into it too much. I just want to show you guys, just to make a cool little quick video on this one, just for you guys to see the ridiculous damage and sometimes the stuff that we actually do get in here. Man. Man, at least you know what, the customer was okay, nothing else happened, just more of a property type of damage thing. I know that can be horrible and it can be a lot to be going through. My thoughts and prayers out to them, but at least if this is the least of the worries, that's always what we want to do. We want to make sure everyone's safe, everyone's good, especially in this type of time. So hope you guys will watch this video on, I don't know, I guess you want to call it a showcase or something for fire damage. But hope you guys are watching just to see the damage of it and to see what we get in here as a shop too. Hope you guys are watching. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye.